Hi, my name is Pamela Brooks. I was born in Taiwan and moved to United States while I was 16 years old. I can speak two languages, English and Mandarin. It feels great to be a translator when no one else was able to help the patient. It made me feel helpful and a feeling sense of usefulness and significant. On the other hand, when I was a translator and able to speak the same language as a patient does, he or she really appreciate I being there and hoping I can do more than just a translator. Oftentimes, it takes away the time I have with my patients. I sometimes feel overwhelmed because it feels like I have double assignments. Therefore, I often volunteer to take Mandarin-speaking patients. I have my Bachelor of Science of Nursing at University of Las Vegas, Nevada. It was a happy day when I received my diploma. I started out as new grad in the medical surgical floor. As I become a more confident nurse, I moved to progressive unit, then finally transitioned to ICU nurse. After a few years of ICU bedside nurse, I got my acute and critical care nursing certification. Passed it just one time. I was so happy. Thought I was done. But no. So other certifications that I earned are basic life support, advanced cardiac life support, continued renal replacement therapy, intra-aorta balloon pump, 12-lead EKG, intravenous therapy, and hypothermia therapy. Like I was saying earlier, I'm not quite done yet. Now, I'm a student and study as FNP. So what are the leadership skills? I think being a first leadership has to have a good communication. I can communicate. I can motivate people to do things. I think I can delegate people. I can be positive. I am very dependable and very responsible. So I think what kind of leadership I am? I think I'm a transformational leadership style. I can motivate others to do more than they intended. Or I can be a coach. I can be a coach leadership style. However, like what my kids always say, I'm a mother. And when I ask them, what kind of leadership do I have? Their answer is a mothership. Thank you for watching.